Hello everyone, welcome to the new video, and this video is knowledge catalog quick start console. Okay, so how we can complete the lab? First, open the lab in the incognito window. Okay, I have opened the lab in the incognito window. Now what you have to do, go for the task 1. Okay, go for the task 1 and create the lake. Okay, so how we can create the lake? First, go to the knowledge catalog. Okay, search for knowledge catalog here, and you will see knowledge catalog. Click on this knowledge catalog. You will see right side a manage option. Click on this manage option. Copy the sensor name. Okay, display name, that is a display name. Paste here. Now you will see a region will be Europe East 1. Okay, Europe East 1. Okay, Europe East. This is Asia, this is Europe East 1. This is the West. Let me check. Europe West 1, sorry. So Europe West 1. Now you have to select. Okay, you have to check other default values, and it will take a minute. Now click on create. Now it will take 3 minutes for this creation. Okay, and when it's done, we will go for the task tab, and you will see it is now active. Okay, now click on this sensor. You will see add a zone. Click on add a zone, and now first click on check my progress for the task 1. Go to the task 2. Copy this display name. Okay, copy this display name. Paste here. Now you will see the type will be the raw zone as mentioned here, regional, and enable the metadata discovery. Cut this part. Click on this drop down. You can check this is a regional. Okay, and click on enable metadata discovery. Come here, scroll down, click on create. Done. Now wait for some time, and it will active. When it will active, we will click the assets. Okay, we will attach the assets. So assets will be bucket type, measurement, and this one. Okay, so wait for some time. Now you will see this is an active one. Okay, so you can refresh this page once. It's taking approx 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, now you will see you can click on this temperature raw data. Okay, cut this part first and click on add assets. We have completed for the task 2, so you can click on check my progress for the task 2 as well. We have to add this one. Okay, add the asset for the zone. Copy this one, copy the display name. Type will be a storage. Okay, and everything leave the default. We have already clicked on the assets. Now click on this assets. Type will be a storage. Paste this name. Okay, now you will see, click on browse. You will see there is no bucket. You can click on this button to create a bucket. Copy your project ID and paste. Okay, copy your project ID, paste here. Click on continue, and you will select the regional type. Okay, and your region according to your lab. Okay, and now click on create this bucket. Click on confirm. Now its bucket is selected. Now click on select bucket. Wait for a minute. It will go. Okay. Now click on done. Click on continue. It's inherit. No need to change. Click. Now click on submit. It will take a few minutes. Okay. Then you can go and check my progress for the task 3. Okay, so wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It's already in creating state. When it will be in the active state, we will back and delete the zone. Okay, so before that you have to click on check my progress for the task 3 as well, and when it will done, then we will delete the zones as now. Go and check, it's now in active state. Okay, now it's in active state. Click on check my progress, and also click on check my progress of this button. You will get marks. Okay, we get the ATS score. Now we have to delete the part. Okay, manage part. Click on zone. We have to delete. First we have to delete the assets, then confirm, then we have to delete the zone, then we have to delete the lake. Okay, so what we can do, this is our assets. Click on this and click on delete assets. First we have to delete the assets. Okay, so select and delete these assets. Okay, assets deletion is started. Okay, it's applying and it's deleting. Okay, so wait for a minute. It takes maximum 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, and after that it's now it's deleted. Assets is deleted. Now what we can do, go back. You will see this is a zone. Okay, select this zone and delete this zone. Now click on delete. Zone deleted. Now back and delete this. Okay, you have to delete this lake. Click on this 3 button, click on delete, and type delete and click on delete lake. Done, it's deleted. Now go and click on check my progress for the last task. Wait for some time. Now it's done. Go and click on check my progress, and you will get the 100 score.